NMR spectrometer provides an method of determining structure in soluble chemical compounds. A. Accurate destructive. B. Accurate non-destructive. C. Inaccurate destructive. D. Inaccurate non-destructive. The correct answer is accurate non-destructive. The amount of energy available in radio frequency radiation is sufficient for which of the following? A. Excite an atom. B. Vibrate an atom. C. Vibrate a molecule. D. Affect the nuclear spin of an atom. The correct answer is affect the nuclear spin of an atom. The difference between the field necessary for resonance in the sample and in some arbitrary chosen compound is which of the following? A. Field shift. B. Matrix effects. C. Chemical shift. D. Resonance shift. The correct answer is chemical shift. Nuclei having either the number of protons or neutrons as odd have spin. A. Integral spin. B. Half integral spin. C. Zero spin. D. Positive spin. The correct answer is half integral spin. NMR spectroscopy indicates the chemical nature of the and spatial positions of A. Electrons protons. B. Neutrons electrons. C. Nuclei electrons. D. Nuclei neighbouring nuclei. The correct answer is nuclei neighbouring nuclei. Interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiation can be observed by subjecting a substance to magnetic fields in which of the following manner? A. Both fields should be stationary. B. Both fields should be varying. C. One field should be stationary and the other should be varying. D. It must be subjected to only one field. The correct answer is one field should be stationary and the other should be varying. In NMR spectroscopy, the spinning nuclei in a strong magnetic field must be irradiated by which of the following? A. Perpendicular and stronger field. B. Perpendicular and weaker field. C. Parallel and stronger field. D. Parallel and weaker field. The correct answer is perpendicular and weaker field. NMR is the study of the absorption of binuclei in a magnetic field. A. Radioactive radiation. B. IR radiation. C. Radiofrequency radiation. D. Microwaves. The correct answer is radiofrequency radiation. Which of the following are considered to be the lowest form of electromagnetic radiation? A. IR radiation. B. Microwaves. C. UV radiation. D. Radio waves. The correct answer is radio waves. When energy is absorbed by the sample, the absorption can be observed as a change in signal developed by which of the following components? A. Amplifier. B. Photodetector. C. GM counter. D. Radiofrequency detector. The correct answer is radiofrequency detector. If the number of protons or neutrons is even, the spin of the nucleus will be which of the following? A. Integral spin. B. Half integral spin. C. Zero spin. D. Positive spin. The correct answer is zero spin. Chemical shift allows a chemist to obtain the idea of how atoms are joined together. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Elementary particles such as electrons and nucleus have the property of spin. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Nitrogen dioxide can be detected with a paramagnetic analyzer. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.